There you go, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, but this come today, so I thought I'd do an unboxing on it. So I wanted a Dremel, but obviously I haven't got Dremel money, so ordered this off of eBay. It was a bit cheaper, or a lot cheaper. So let's see what we got. Nice sturdy case. So we've got some instructions. We've got a box of bits, cutting and filing and polishing. We've got a little clamp to go on the table. There is a stand for it, so you can hook it on, adjustable. And the Dremel itself, or the multi-tool itself. This one is D-Works. It's got your speed settings up on now, goes up to 6. And then clicks off on the maximum. Got brushes on the outside of this, so if your brushes go, they're going to be quite easy to change. Just one in there, one in there. Power switches on the bottom. Normal collet bit in it, and this is going to make some of the stuff. Oh, that's here. It's got another extendable lance bit on it. It will make some of the work that I'm doing a little bit easier. That's it for now. I will be making some toys with this, so once I've done some, I might video some of them, and I'll give you an update on how it performs on a later video. But for now, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and check out all the other videos, and speak to you in a bit. Cheers.